Hi guys and welcome. If you're looking for the best free and intuitive website builder, this is the right spot, because today in this video I'm going to be talking about Site123, the simplest and easiest free website builder yet. And in this video I want to show you how to use an editor of this fantastic website builder. It's absolutely easy, and you're gonna find out how to build your own website really fast, easy, and without an extra efforts. There are tons of interesting templates that you can choose from. All you need to do is to check the link in the description panel of this video, press it, and you're gonna be on the official website. Then you need to press start here. You need to sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. And what do we have? Website editor that no coding required. You don't need to know code. It's just simple and easy, and I'll show it to you. All the websites that you can build inside of Site123 is responsive and mobile friendly, so you don't need to build a separate type of website for the mobile version. It has free hosting, it has SEO tools, it has custom domains, and you can even build online store and sell globally using Site123. All the things are inside. It is totally comprehensive tool, and it called Site123 because it's really 3 simple steps. You just sign up, you're using a type of your website and customizing it, and that's it, and you're ready to go. So guys, I do have an account and I want to show you how it looks from inside. So let's jump, and I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible to give you comprehensive information without any things that you will not need. So let's jump. When it's gonna be inside, you just need to press create new website, and the system will ask you what kind of a website do you want, CV and portfolio, or for music or events, or you want to build an online store, restaurant and food. So most common types of websites that people are building inside, they are all here, and you don't need to even choose from tons of templates. It's already done, and you almost have your own website. Let's press on hospitality and tourism. First of all, you need to choose your website name. It can be changed after, so it's not so important for the moment, but we're gonna type something in. Best resort. Open a website. 1, 2, 3, and here you go. There's gonna be a small tutorial if you know nothing about how to build a website. You can watch this video first, but we're gonna skip it. And actually, you do have a website already. What do we have here? Pages, design, settings, and domain. It's absolutely simple and easy. Here on the top, you can choose how your site will be visible on different type of devices. Undo and redo, and the publish button. So let's jump to pages first. Home, what's around, and contact us. If you don't have a page that you need, for example, we need to add some team members here. We're just pressing add new page, and there's a list of ready to go templates of let's say sections or pages that you can use. Where is the team? Team is right here. You can choose how it will be on your website. For example, I want this round things, round pictures, all the things, but I need the team page be under the contact us. Okay, so I'm just grabbing it and moving it to the spot where I want it to be. Let's add a new page. For example, we need some gallery, we need some pictures. Let it be carousel gallery. also we're grabbing it and putting it right here. Here you go. It's already looks fine. It's already done. You just need to customize all these pictures here. So let's jump to the home page. We have settings button. We have edit button here. So we can change each element on each page. And all those pages are here in the header. So you can edit header or edit structure. Everything can be changed. When you pressing on some piece of text, you have all the options that you need to play around with the text. Right. If you need to change the background, you just press on this button, and you can use the search bar to find free stock pictures for your website. Let's find resort. This is the best resort. I like this picture. Here you go. It's done. You can change color. You can change everything also here. You can use settings, and you can change opacity. You can switch on or off the parallax effect. If you're gonna make it off, we'll scroll with the picture. But I like the parallax effect. It's quite looking professional. All right. Best resort. All right. I want to change the type. For example, it can be like that. You can change all that right here. Well, let's jump next. You can move sections. You can move these pages with this. Move the section down. You can duplicate this section, this page, and all the elements can be changed using the edit button. What's here? Design, colors. This is one of my favorite actually. You can change the color scheme of your website just in one click, literally. And you see the header changed. Here the color changed. Let's use some solid, maybe dark blue. Yeah, I like this style. Next, what do we have next? We have fonts. All the fonts except the homepage fonts, this one, can be changed from one spot. For example, look at this text. In one click, we changed the font all over the site. And this is also really cool. We changed the site and we spent like less than a second for it. We can change the header. We can show phone numbers here and edit phone numbers, and those buttons will be clickable. You can show an email, location, address, switch it off. You can show the social networks and edit to add some Facebook page, maybe some Instagram page for anything that you want here. Footer, mobile. Let's go to settings. Website name, website type. I told you that you can change the website name right here. And you can also use the logo here. You can upload the logo if you do have one. If you don't have, you can use the logo maker to create your own. All the things here also can be changed. Font size, let it be like that. Okay. Okay, guys. And one of the main things here, this is a domain name. So you can choose your own unique domain name straight from the site 1 to 3. And it's going to affect your website. It's going to be more visible to search engines. It's going to be unique because right now the temporary subdomain looks like just numbers and just no one will remember the name of your site, and no one will visit your site if it's going to be like that. So definitely you need to choose your own domain name, unique to bring your brand to the market. And it can be done just from this spot. Or if you already have a domain, you can click here for more info and connect all the things straight from the one spot. When you're ready, just need to press publish, and that's it. Your site gonna be visible, your site will be live, and anybody will be able to find your site online. It's really simple, it's really easy, and if you have 1 hour to fulfill all the things that you need to be that need to be on your website, it's quite easy, and you can go live literally under 1 hour. All the pictures you can find on this spot. If you have your own pictures, your own logo, it can be uploaded to the system, and it's gonna be done. Guys, this is one of the best and easiest website builders that I've ever seen, and you definitely need to check it out if you want to build your own website. So all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. Make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was really useful. Take care and see ya.